Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best 3D pens for beginners in 2025 that are super easy to use, budget-friendly, and perfect for all ages. Whether you're a student, artist, or total beginner, these pens make 3D design fun and effortless. We'll cover the features, pros, and where to buy them. So stick around and find the perfect one to bring your ideas to life. Number 1 3 Doodler Start Plus. Essentials 3D Pen. Looking for a fun and educational way to keep your kids creative and engaged? The 3 Doodler Start Plus Essentials 3D Pen Set is the perfect STEM toy for young creators age 6 and up. It's safe, easy to use, and lets kids bring their ideas to life, right in the air, with no hot parts or complicated setup. Great for learning at home, art projects, or screen-free fun. It's both playful and productive. If you want a gift that inspires imagination and hands-on learning, this 3D pen is a total win. Number 2 SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen with Display. Got creativity and ideas that deserve a 3D twist? The SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen with Display makes crafting in 3 dimensions a breeze. It comes ready with 3 starter colors of PLA filament, a handy stencil book, project guide, and charger. Everything you need to dive right in. With a clear OLED display, precise temperature control, and smooth extrusion, even beginners can create with confidence. Whether you're doodling, designing, or gifting, this pen brings imagination to life. Now's the perfect time to start. Clear. Number 3. SCRIB3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen. Unleash your creativity with the SCRIB3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen, your all-in-one tool for crafting in 3 dimensions. Comes with 20 feet of vibrant filament, a handy stencil book, and project guide to jumpstart your designs. With adjustable temperature control and smooth extrusion, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. Create custom art, repairs, or gifts with precision and flair. Number 4 3 Doodler Flow 3D Printing Pen. Looking for a way to unleash your creativity and bring ideas to life in 3D? The 3 Doodler Flow 3D Printing Pen is perfect for teens, adults, and creators. No bulky printer required. Comes with free refill filaments, a stencil book, and an easy getting started guide to jump right in. With smooth extrusion and a sleek black design, it's ideal for crafting custom art, home decor, or useful gadgets. If you want a creative tool that's fun, versatile, and ready for your next project, this pen's your go-to. Number 5 Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. The Mint 3D Professional 3D Pen offers precise control with its OLED display and adjustable speed settings. Perfect for serious creators, it delivers smooth, detailed 3D drawing for art, design, or repairs.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.